day 24. I'm up for sunrise, but I'm not on Whitney. It's okay. Got some coffee going on this morning. I didn't really feel like I wanted to pack up in the night in the dark with my headlamp. For the most part I did, but it's already getting daylight. I'm not gonna have to use my headlamp going up, so that's pretty cool. It's still actually beautiful right here. Like, it's like 6:20 right now, so you got a little bit more until the sunset. Until the sunrise. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, wait till the sun comes out a little bit. But yeah, I slept okay. I just kept thinking, like, am I gonna wake up? Am I gonna wake up? Am I gonna wake up? I wake up twice in the middle of the night to go pee, and then I was just like, no, I'm waiting till the sun comes up. So anyways, sunrise, day 24. All right, 6:35. All packed up, ready to go. Got a 4.5 miles to top of Mount Whitney. Thinking I'll get there by 10:30, maybe 11. About an hour a mile, so we'll see. Got my headlamp on just to keep my ears warm. I'm all bundled up pretty much in most of my layers, but yeah, day 24. Let's go get Whitney. All right, it's right before 7:30, and I just have to say, hiking up this with the morning light, I think is way more special than catching sunrise at the top. You did good. Still got up at sunrise, still got up and out early, still climbing a mountain, and still doing all these switchbacks before the sun comes out on this side. So, not so bad, not so bad. All right, pack is like 4 pounds lighter. Just left Trail Crest, 8:25. Took me an hour and 44 minutes to get from camp to Trail Crest this morning. Now, I don't have a bear can, so I'm making my way up. Still gonna give myself about 2 hours to make it, we'll see. But yeah, running into a lot of people, JMT, HST, a lot of day hikers. So, making our way up Whitney. I don't want this trip to be over. Ran into the couple I saw yesterday at the Tarn. They are heading down. And he was like, hey, are you the girl from camp last night? And I was like, yeah. I was like, hey, you made it up for sunrise. He's like, yeah. Hey, you slept in. I sure did. And I enjoyed every minute of it. One of the windows. Hello, Lone Pine. It's been a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Hi. Mount Whitney is up there. Be there pretty soon. 9:41. Probably get there in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Made it. Summit of Mount Whitney. Made it in 3 hours. 6:45, 9:45. Not bad. Not bad at all. Did it. All right. Who are you? Seriously. I still up here. I still enjoying these views. It's like 10:05, so I guess I should be heading back down soon. But hi again. Made it. I am not ready for this trip to be over. I'm never ever ready for these trips to be over. It's like, what do I do with my life next? I went through all my emails and caught up on life, and then I looked up and I'm like, shit, I'm still here. I'm still here. So still here. Got 2 miles back down to Trail Crest, where I did leave my bear canister, so I do have to go pick that up. But I enjoyed last shot of Fireball and a meat bar. Not sure how far it is down to Trail Crest Camp, but probably gonna try and make it down to Outpost. It's been a trip. It's been a trip. I just messaged Marsha, let her know that I made it to Mount Whitney. Messaged Heather, let her know that I made it. Messaged my family. And yeah, JMT done, but it's not over until it's over. It's not over until I make it down to the portal safely. So yeah, all done here from here. Hey, not me. We're done. Finished it. Now let's make it safely back down and check in from camp. I've been saving this fruit rice for this exact moment. Slowly making our way down. Clouds are coming in and out, so the sun is popping in and out. It's kind of nice. Soaking in these views. From the Trail Crest, I guess. Official Trail Crest. This little puffball just chilling on the switchbacks. Are you okay, little guy? like it took forever. Finally on the last of the 99 switchbacks. After coming from who knows where up there. It's only 2 o'clock. It's a little before 2:30. I'm done for the day. I found an awesome spot by Constellation Lake. It's still very far from the lake, so I gotta go down and fill up on some water, but not bad for last night on JMT, right? Good night from day 24. Last night on the JMT. Got less than 5 miles out to Portal tomorrow. And even after 25 days, I still haven't learned how to hold the phone, but maybe next trip. Not bad. Good morning. Day 25. Get my coffee. It's like right before 6 o'clock. Sun's already come up, but it hasn't hit the peaks yet, so slept okay last night. Not too bad. Sunset was pretty awesome. Sunrise looks like it's going to be pretty amazing too. I should get up. I don't want to. I'm comfy. Cheers. Sunrise, Mount Whitney. Don't gotta be at 14,000 feet to enjoy it, that's for sure. Just ran into a kid that I ran into a week ago. First saw him on Glen Pass. He was heading up Glen Pass. When I made it to the top of Kearsarge, he was coming back down Kearsarge. Now I'm hiking out of Whitney, and I just ran into him again. That was like 7 days ago. Him and a friend. I hiked out of Kearsarge, drove all the way to the other side of the Sequoias, and freaking ran the entire High Sierra Trail. All before I can get off the JMT. Crazy kid, crazy. That's cool. He seemed like he was having really fun though. It's pretty dope. Wish I would have got his name. My mind is blown right now. Like, how the hell? You really just ran all that? I'm still walking. "9:45. I've only been hiking for a mile and a half, and I've met some pretty cool people on the trail already. Besides that one kid that just runs all over the Sierra, I just met another guy who is yo-yoing the JMT. Excuse me, let me repeat that. Another guy who is yo-yoing the JMT. It's pretty awesome. I'm not sure when he finished, but heading back up Whitney Portal today. Says he'll be finished in about 10 days, so that's dope. Thinking about it, like, you don't have to do Whitney again. There's all these other resupplies that you can bypass. So I'm inspired. Yeah. Are you still there? I'm still here. I'm still here, and I'm not ready to walk out. I see the ending, and it's like my only chance to turn around and come back, but JMT is over. It's not over till you hit the sign. It's your only chance, Ness. You could turn around and go back. You could do it all over again. We can do it all over again. Okay, I guess we gotta go. Yes. I'll leave your bags. Get it out. It's not over till you hit the sign.
Not over to touch the sign. It's right there. So close. You can still turn around. You can still turn around. No, we're not going to. Because we're going to end right here. Right here. Right. Thought you'd get rid of me, huh? Not yet. I'm just chilling here with my beer and my candy because I already finished my burger and my first beer. But what a different experience. This whole journey has been with people on the trail, from beginning to the end. Lots of congratulations on the way down, and not even just from JMT, just from like Mount Whitney Trail in general. And if you made the summit, or even if you just attempted it, it's just like so much encouragement along the trail. Like, hey, did you summit? Congratulations, blah blah blah. But that one family, fist pumps all around, and it was just fucking awesome. And love the encouragement and just congratulations and fist pumps, and just like totally missed all of that last year when the trail was closed because nobody else is out here. It was pretty cool. It's just pretty neat, just the energy and the vibes that you get from other people, and to know that you're out here inspiring other people when really I'm just out here trying to survive. So been pretty cool. But anyways, JMT is coming to an end. We'll see what's next. I guess this is Ness logging out in JMT. No more. Do have an idea though, this crazy idea of yo-yoing next year, but we'll see. There's so many other things I want to do, and I don't think I'll be headed back to the JMT anytime soon. So this is Nessa logging out. JMT going to. It's been real. We'll see what's next because I don't even know. So yeah, until next time.